Hello everyone, welcome to this video. If you are searching for a Mazak VARIAXIS J-500 post-processor, a Mazak VARIAXIS J-600 post-processor, or a Mastercam 5-axis post-processor for Mazak SMOOTH controller, then this video is exactly for you. In this video, I will explain everything you need to know about a single Mastercam 5-axis post-processor that supports both Mazak VARIAXIS J-500 and J-600 machines, including axis configuration, machine differences, post-processor features, and how you can get the correct post-processor for your setup. The Mazak VARIAXIS J-Series machines are high-performance 5-axis vertical machining centers, widely used in aerospace components, automotive parts, mold and die machining, precision engineering. These machines are designed for high-speed, high-accuracy 5-axis machining, allowing complex parts to be completed in fewer setups. To fully utilize these machines in Mastercam, you must use a proper Mazak-specific 5-axis post-processor. This post-processor is designed to support both machines, with correct kinematics handling for each model. Mazak VARIAXIS J-500, Mazak VARIAXIS J-600. The post-processor automatically manages axis configuration differences between the two machines. To summarize, this is a professional Mastercam 5-axis post-processor for Mazak VARIAXIS J500 and J600 machines, designed for the Mazak SMOOTH controller, supporting XYZAC for J500 and XYZBC for J600, and suitable for high-precision production machining. Thank you for watching this video. If this video helped you understand Mazak VARIAXIS J-Series 5-axis post-processors, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you need this post-processor or any other Mastercam post-processor, you can comment below or contact us directly. All contact details are available in the description. Thanks again for watching, and see you in the next video.